Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, is already making waves ahead of its 2025 launch. Leaked images and rumors provide a glimpse into what Samsung has in store for its premium device. While the final design is still under wraps, we can expect some significant upgrades, including a larger display and camera improvements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch display, slightly larger than its predecessor. Though still early in development, we expect Samsung to continue using high-end materials like titanium for the frame, as seen with the S24 Ultra. The screen may also see increased peak brightness, possibly pushing the boundaries with Samsung's signature OLED displays. In terms of cameras, the S25 Ultra could take things to the next level, with reports suggesting a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and the potential for a new telephoto lens with variable zoom capabilities, offering smoother video capture. As for the main sensor, the 200MP camera could be further refined, continuing Samsung's push to challenge Apple's camera superiority. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This promises a significant performance boost, with a notable improvement in both single-core and multi-core processing, making this device ideal for gaming and multitasking. Additionally, the phone may feature a larger 16GB RAM option, aiding its AI capabilities and multitasking performance. The battery is expected to remain at 5,000 mAh, maintaining solid longevity, but with improved power efficiency from the new chipset. Samsung may also introduce faster UFS 4.1 storage, enhancing data transfer speeds and overall performance. As for the software, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will launch with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7, with exciting features like enhanced Galaxy AI and potential satellite connectivity. Samsung is also pushing AI into its flagship devices, with generative AI possibly being integrated into Bixby. The price of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to rise slightly, partly due to the increased cost of premium components. With its launch likely in early February 2025, Samsung is gearing up for fierce competition with the iPhone 16 Pro Max.